Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, today I'm taking you to the construction site of the Abia State Airport. So I hopped on a motorcycle from Umuahia, and then I started driving to Isiala Ngwa Nsulu, Isiala Ngwa, to show you guys the airport. So this is Ngwa. We are already in Nsulu, and I am going to be showing you, a lot of things about the host community, the community hosting the airport in Abia State. So watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. See for yourself what is going on, in the land mapped out for the airport. See for yourself how the community, the host community is. See for yourself the road leading to the airport and everything about this airport. So guys, on December 17, 2024, the groundbreaking ceremony for the construction of the Abia airport was done in Nsulu, Isiala Ngwa North, by the able governor of Abia State in the person of His Excellency Governor Alex Chioma Otti, and also the presence of the Minister of Aviation in the person of Barrister Festus Kiyamo. Okay, and the able governor of Abia State, told us that the airport was going to be ready for use, I think, in 30 something months, but now he's saying that it's going to take 24 months. So you see, 24 months, and this airport will be ready for use, and that's a good thing. From 30 something months, I think 32 or 36 months, now it's going to take just 24 months. So 12 months make a year. So 12 months plus 12 months, that's 24. So in 2 years, this airport will be ready for use, and Abia, will stop going to Owerri, Akwa Ibom, to catch a flight. So we'll just be catching flight directly from Nsulu, Isiala Ngwa North. And now from Umuahia to this place, from Isi Court, when you get to Isi Court in Umuahia, you can pay a bike man, tell him you want to go to the airport. It's not up to 50 minutes from Isi Court in Umuahia. You can hop on a bike, you can take what is it called, keke napep, tricycle, and then piam, they will bring you here. You can even use a taxi if you want. It's not far at all from Isi Court in Umuahia. So we are still driving in Nsulu. Now when you are going to this airport, the popular market, Umosu market, you are going to pass Umosu market in Nsulu, Isiala Ngwa, and then you keep going. It's not far from Umosu market. So just watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. So finally, we are at the airport location. We are at the location where the groundbreaking ceremony took place December 17th, 2024. So as you can see the Kremborg logo. You know, just day one. I'm going to show you, I think, 4 of them or more, and then you can see from over there, Abia Airport Nsulu, and the blocks you're seeing there, they are the blocks that was used for the groundbreaking ceremony. Over there again is Kremborg logo. Anywhere Kremborg is handling a project, you always see their logo over there, made with concrete cement, and then a inscription of their logo on it. So this is Abia Airport Nsulu, Kremborg. Yes, they are the ones handling this massive project. And here is the Abia state government logo. It's a new one. The previous one was changed, so that's the new one. And this is the Nigerian coat of arms. Yes, like I said before, this is the block that was used for the groundbreaking ceremony, the laying of, foundation for the, you understand. Over there again is another Kremborg. Yes, you can see it, Kremborg. Yes. I'm going to go down and show you something, so just come with me. So this is, like I said, I'm just going close to the Kremborg, logo again. Yes, AG cement with wire, water go be there. Inside there, my brother, all this land they are seeing, they are going to use it for the airport. No be small thing at all. If you never subscribe, please click the subscribe button. So guys, today I made it to the site for the Abia State Airport. So this land I am here, I'm on right now, is the place for the construction of the Abia State Airport. As you can see, this is the Abia State government logo. This is the site. You can see how massive it is. For my back, front, side, all of them, my brother, they will grade everything at airports. Now they run here. So we don't need to go Owerri or Akwa Ibom. We don't need to be going to Owerri or Akwa Ibom again once this airport construction is done, and it's going to be done sharp. It will take time.